My name is Michelle Hennessy. I'm a reporter with TheJournal.ie, the news website, and I've signed up to spend the day with the deaf family. Would they be able to hear that? Nice to meet you. Hi. It's very cold. His name? Yeah, I know your names. Yeah, Brendan and Teresa. Brendan. The same?
I hope she tells others that deaf people are normal. Just like hearing people, but just with different culture and language, that's all. That's what I hope to achieve.
The car, is it the same as other cars? Or do you need anything different? No.
No, no.
Curious.
Why did you ask that?
I don't know.
Did you expect flashing lights?
Yeah, I suppose you don't need to be able to hear once you can see everything.